Hello everyone, this is Wyatt with Harvest Profit. Today I'm going to go over fixing incompatible units on your applications. Sometimes when you're importing data from Operations Center, you may have incompatible units. For an example, you could have dry ounces coming over from Op Center, but in Harvest Profit it's actually set to a liquid ounce. And so we want to fix that, along with if you're making changes manually to your applications and maybe you just have a mistake of having a different unit on a product versus the applications page and the inputs page, then we just want to correct that. So in this example, I have an application here with my chemical VEL, which I'm bringing it over in dry ounces when in reality it should be a fluid ounce. So it's just a mistake that was made. So I can just click the drop down here and select fluid ounce, and that'll correct it. So another way to do it is if I go to the inputs page and I go to that line item, which is under my chemicals. So I find my VEL, you'll see that there's another number 2 button here. This shows how many times I've used VEL. So I have used it on 2 fields and it's got a red oval because there's an incompatible unit on it. So if I click on this, here I can batch edit my product or my units. So in this case, I'm just going to select this one, which I could do the drop down, but if I had multiple incompatible units on multiple fields, I could select multiple fields and then choose to set the unit, and I'm going to set it to fluid ounces, and that'll change both those fields. So really, if you have a lot of issues coming in from Op Center, then you can just come in here and click to change the unit type here. Now, it is better to make these corrections in Op Center, but if it gets to be too tedious there, we have this batch action in Harvest Profit. That's all for that. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to email support at support@harvestprofit.com or schedule a call with support at harvestprofit.com/call. Thank you.